Go, go.
Here comes Crainer. Out of the way, trucks. I'm here to jump. Woo! Watch carefully now. It's gonna be jump-tastic. Don't blink, or you're gonna miss it.
Okay, so this might take a bit longer than I thought. Crainer, go faster! Speed up so you can make it across the bridge!
Here it comes. And jumping.
Crainer! Get the brakes! Brakes!
Brake? How odd. But you're the jump expert, Jack. And braking.
Quick, Dan. Tow time!
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah, he does a good job, and I'm sure you will.
You gonna do it on YouTube?
That was fun. I felt like a rocket with all engines firing.
What? You gonna wait? What? You gonna put it on YouTube?
Dan, we need to make a hill so we can help Crainer get some real jumping speed.
Do it, Sam. Wait, could I do something else right? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do it. Oh, do it. Oh, do it. Do it to it. Oh, do 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 it. Why can't you do it, Diana? That's a
Building a jump. Wow. You haven't even jumped yet, Crainer. But you look like you're having a Crainerific time anyway.
Time for a test run.
almost done. Wait, I'm doing something.
Almost done?
Yep. I'm just
Cool.
doing, like something else, like a heart thing of it.
Okay. Oh, you're adding detail now. That's what you're doing.
Not jumping is tremendous fun.
Ha ha ha!
Whoa. Don't worry, Crainer.
What you doing, Sam? What you gonna make?
You watch. He is. He's designing.
Oh, yes, the jump show. Quite right. I know we'll get it next time.
You watch and see what he's going to have done when he gets all finished.
Can you see me? Can you?
Sure.
Not right now because you're too high. Oh, look, that's the bag.
See me now?
Do you want to do one after?
No.
Okay.
We gotta get
If you
even
want
more
me
speed.
to.
How?
I know something steep enough to build up more speed.
Cool. Sam, my dear.
Overpass. But is it too heavy to lift, Crainer?
Does that answer your question? Now that is a jump. Lucky thing that Crainer's lock and cable are so strong, or we never would have gotten the overpass here.
I'll try it out.
Is that the back or the front or the side you're doing now?
Like, this is the side.
Oh, the side? Okay.
Yeah, it works. Try-tastic.
Your turn, Crainer.
Pedal to the metal.
Okay.
You're adding more detail now, are you? Cool. This is February 28th, 2015.
Oh, it wasn't really jumping. More like falling. With flair.
No, not even that. I don't even know what to do.
I can't
I don't.
I'm stuck.
Uh-oh. Roadblock. Hoods together. Hey, I know. Crainer, we'll push you out.
When is that gonna be done? I don't know, Ben. I can't even do it. I don't know when it's gonna be done. Is that people?
This time we're gonna pull you out of there.
Pull it. Bam, bam, bam. Don't hop.
It's working! I take it back! It's not working! Thanks for trying to help. Who's gonna help you two?
Oh, wow.
Where's not done?
Oh, my goodness.
To make the teetsiest jump. Now we can't get him out of the
Ow.
river. Poor Craner. He's not having any fun.
How in the world do you know what you're doing?
It probably looks good like that.
Does Craner always laugh like that when he's not having fun? Jack, Dad, I must say, what a wonderful day this has been.
Can you see me?
Wanting to jump is fun.
Not right
Although I
now.
haven't jumped yet. Oh well.
So we didn't get Craner.
How long is that?
Fun trying and built a truck-tastic new ramp, too. This was a truck-tastic day.
And train-tastic. I'd come over and say thanks.
Where is it? Is that what you... Wait, no.
I'm afraid.
Oh, God. Oh, my goodness gracious. Awesome.
You're gonna get yourself.
Is he all done?
Wow. It's not like
Not
I can
yet.
jump out. I'm not very good.
Takes a long time, doesn't it?
Let's say DDS.
What?
DDS.
Mission plan.
DDF?
Now,
Cool. Wow.
Here goes.
Done.
Perfect. Let me see. Now just turn around. Just holding up straight. Okay, let me see. Wow, what a good job, Sam Pitcher. You are awesome. Perfect. Thumbs up. And there's Ben.